Hey guys, and welcome to this exciting new YouTube channel. Today we're going to ask the fridge what's cooking. So it's basically easy. We're going to make a culinary bliss. We're going to open up the fridge. We're going to try and get as many ingredients or whatever ingredients we have and make an amazing meal. So join us in this first episode. I'm very excited. Let's do it. Okay, let's step outside and go to the herb garden and get some parsley. Next we visit the ladies, the chickens. Let's see what they've got for us. Ah, hey Fluffy, what have you got? Two butternuts. And we have new recruits as well. So for this dish you're going to need some mushrooms, some parsley, some garlic, and of course 2 eggs. First we peel and chop the garlic. So, next we cut all the mushrooms into quarters, chop up the parsley, and cut a nice slice of bread. Then we put in the toaster and we spread ajvar or any other spread that you might like. Sprinkle on some cheese. Next, we get 2 pans, a bit of oil in them. Put it on the stove and let it warm up. First, we add the mushrooms, the garlic, pinch of salt, some cracked pepper. Give it a good stir. Make sure the flavours are infusing nicely. Then we add the parsley after a while. Give it another quick stir. You don't want the parsley to be overcooked. Just keep stirring for another minute or 2 and it should be ready to go. After that, we get the next pan, add some oil, keep it nice and hot, and then we crack an egg. Nice, fresh eggs, straight from the source. Pinch of salt, a little bit of cracked pepper, make sure you get a non-stick spatula and sort of give it a pry so it doesn't stick to the pan, because our next little trick requires it to be nice and slippery. Nice little flip. Give it another 20 seconds and it's ready to be plated. Look at that. Put the mushrooms on top, just like that, and voila, there you have it. Nice and simple, packed full of flavour. There you have it guys. Easy, simple to make. Eggs with toast, a few mushrooms, some herbs from the garden, parsley, and there you have it. So let's go for a taste test. Oh, look at that. Hey? Nice runny egg. Give it a go. Some mushrooms in there. Oh. So good. The flavours of the ajvar, the egg, beautiful free-range eggs, the parsley and the garlic. Just amazing. There you go guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you thought it was helpful, what to cook. We've got plenty of more episodes to go, so till the next one, happy cooking.